here is one of Mercy Divine Properties executive clients. You get why I call you executive client? As you see, I'm actually you don't say an executive in B. Okay, sir, please, may we meet you? And I want to know if you love what you're seeing.
Yes, I'm very much happy to be part of your team.
Thank you so much, sir.
See what is going on here at Banana Highland.
Yes, new Banana Highland.
So I'm a client, and I came to see with my two eyes, and I'm happy with what I've seen. So please, I want to invest, and I encourage you to join and invest. This is a 50th trip, and I was so happy I joined the team to witness, to see with my two eyes, and I'm impressed. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So what's the name again?
Engineer Obina.
Engineer Obima, thank you so much. God bless you, and it's nice doing business with you. All right, you have heard it from the horse's mouth. He's one of our executive clients, and he loved what he saw. That is what makes us happy. We like satisfying our clients, and we love it when they are happy with what they are seeing. So take a look and see for yourself. This is new Banana Highland. And the number to call to get your own plot here is 09034296519. I'll wait for you.